Astro from Astrophobia, and I'm so sorry for not uploading a long video for like such a long time. I've been trying to upload shorts every day, and I've not been doing very well at that. And basically, I've just accidentally stopped uploading long videos because every weekend I've been busy, and I'm also busy this weekend. The reason why my face is so red is because I've just been fencing. Basically, if you don't know what it is, because a lot of people don't. Sword fighting. You stop people. Griffin. This one also does sword fighting, fencing. We do it at the same time, and we finish like by the time we're home it's like 9:30. So I can't cosplay until really late on Friday. So sorry about that. But today, if you show the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing a miku get ready with me. Because she's one of my, like, she was my second ever cosplay, which is so crazy to think I chose such a difficult cosplay, my second ever cosplay. But I've revamped her, and like, I've redone her outfit, and I've redone her like so many times since I first got her, and I still haven't done a get ready with me. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna try and include in this video a bit more in depth on how I do my cosplay makeup, because I've kind of evolved my makeup style a bit since like, well, since basically my last long video, because I've been complaining in my last videos about how like I lost my eyelash glue. I had to buy new lashes to get new eyelash glue, but these new lashes are better. But the eyelash glue is already running out because I wear them so much when I cosplay, which is so annoying. So I'm just gonna buy a bunch of glue separately online and hope it comes. Get into that outfit, well, most of it, because the accessories are annoying to do my makeup in, and then I'm gonna start showing you like how I do my makeup and stuff. Okay, so for makeup. By the way, the outfit, this is not the full outfit obviously, and I'm wearing a hoodie because I'm cold. It's really cold where I am right now. So for the makeup, I'm really bad cold right now. So like, everything is horrible, my whole face is really red. So I'm going to start off by putting moisturizer on. By the way, I am not good at makeup. I'm going to say this, I'm just going to say what I do. I'm not even going to tell you the products, because these products, I do not know where I got them from. Most of them were gifts from my grandparents, because I'm not bothered to buy my own makeup, which sounds weird, but like I already have enough. I don't buy anymore. But I'm just going to tell you what I do. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to tell you. Basically, I've got moisturizer on. I'm just going to put like my base makeup on, so that's just like to cover everything up, because my face is very red right now. And I'll also do like some highlights and some blush. I do quite heavy blush. Which may sound counterproductive if I'm removing the redness from my face, but it makes sense when I like finish the makeup, because it's like miku anime. I know Vocaloid is not the same as anime, but like anime style, like big eyes, lots of blush, you know. So we're gonna try and look like Basically. Okay. My base of makeup on, so like this is what we wear like for normal makeup anyway. And I've done like, notice how I do like a lot of blushing and a lot of highlight. Yeah, that's just because it's anime. And basically I have a bunch of brushes for like everything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like, so the inner corners of my eye, I'm gonna really highlight them, as well as under my eye. I'm gonna really highlight, like you see this part here, highlight like a lot there. It'll make sense later on in the process. Your eyebrows, I personally just don't do anything to my eyebrows. I like brush them or whatever, but I don't usually like paint them blue. But if you do, then obviously like search up how to do that, because I'm not good at that. Like trust me, I just can't do it. Physically, I suck at it. I do highlight a bit like under my brows here, but obviously I know like basically nothing about makeup, and I really said this is just what I do. So I highlight here. Part here, I just know it just gives you that cute effect. And then I usually if I'm doing like a color palette, it's like really warm red like all around the eye. Like I make sure to include it on the bottom as well and do like the highlight over the top of it, if that makes sense. But Miku uses like a lot of blue in her design. And I actually finally have like a palette with lots of blue in, so I'm going to be using a lot of blue, but I'm still going to be using like some reddish tones to make it look a bit more natural. You'll see once I've done my eyeshadow, but the eyeliner is kind of what pulls it all together, and I'll come back to you once I've done my eye makeup and I'm ready to start on doing my outfit. Okay, so I've done my eye makeup. You can't really see it on camera, It is quite blue in real life. Mostly I just look sleep deprived, so I'm gonna work on that. But basically what makes the look is not necessarily the eyeshadow, because that does help, but it's, you can see by the way I've highlighted, but like shadows there to make my eyes look bigger. It's eyeliner and the fake eyelashes. It's really obvious I wear fake eyelashes because I'm always complaining about my eyelashes. The eyeliner is actually brown liquid eyeliner. I have pencil eyeliner as well, but it's a pain to use. And I have like this powder eyeliner, it's really blunt and it smudges really easily. So I use this, even though it's brown. I feel like the brown just makes it look more natural. And sometimes in my cosplays, I don't want them to look natural, and sometimes I do. It's difficult to explain, but my back hurts so much. My posture is so bad for this. Sorry, but this is the eyeliner. This is the only product I'm going to show you that I use, mostly because it's the only one I highly approve of. This just served me well for like a month that I've had it. So good eyeliner again. So I'm going to put this on. I can't do it on camera, but I just do like normal eyeliner. So do your eyeliner however you do to figure out, and then like go down like a bit into your eyelid, like this is around like the crease. Just go down there. I don't know how to explain it. You can see how I did this really well on my Lisa Romane cosplay. I did that really well, but I'm going to try and replicate it again because I like how it looks. So okay, so now I've done that eyeliner, you can see it's kind of starting to look more like my normal cosplay makeup. But there is one thing still missing, and that is the fact that I don't have my eyelashes on. Also the fact that my eyeliner is so wonky, you're going to laugh. I'm blaming this on the fact that while I was doing my eyeliner, like the bottom part, I got an ad on YouTube because I'm watching YouTube for Headspace, and I swear, Headspace is supposed to be calming. This was not calming. Like, it was blasting through my phone, like, take 5 deep breaths. Like, oh, stop. Anyway, it scared me so much, I had to pause the video and, like, skip the ad, and physically, it, like, made me mess up. I don't think you can tell that bad, but I still want to say, Headspace, make your ads more Headspace friendly. I'm not feeling relaxed right now. I was very stressed during that. Anyway, I need to put the tie on it, the armbands, the actual arm sleeves things. I usually wear like tights with this cosplay, but I already have some socks on, so I'm just gonna keep the socks on. Also, this skirt, it's like a black skirt, but like it's got more pleats in it, and compared to my normal skirt, which is like my school skirt, it's like the skirt I got from my hihi cosplay, which by the way, I've only made one poster, which is really weird. I don't think I have any good graphs but okay, so I'm gonna put all the accessories on. Once I put my lashes on, so I'll just put my lashes on now, because that's the whole look, you don't need to see that. Okay, so this is my makeup done, and I just remembered I completely forgot to do my lips. So for lips, basically usually I will just put on some like lip gloss and stuff. I can't find the lip gloss I usually use right now, so I'm just gonna put on some like random lip stuff I find. My lips are also really dry right now, so just put really see closely at them. But yeah, I'm gonna put the accessories on because I am freezing, and then I'll put the wig on and we'll style it, because every time I wear makeup the wig comes out different because I keep cutting it and stuff. I also tried to curl the bottom of like the ponytails. It didn't really work, but oh well. Also, I don't think I have contacts for my makeup, or at least I'm not allowed to wear my contacts for this cosplay because I think I have some blue ones. But so that's why my eyes just look black. Also, it's because terrible lighting. Better lighting. These eyelashes are so uneven for some reason. This one is like way nicer than this one. Don't even ask me how that happens every single time I get into cosplay. Also, I may use this makeup cheaper later on if I'm bothered. And this vocaloid thing on this top is falling off because I made this top myself, and it's like keeps falling off. So I'm gonna have to glue that back on at some point. So I'm gonna get all the accessories on, and I'll be back. So I've tied my hair back. You can't really tell from here, but I do have the armbands on. I'm just like so cold. Winter weather. I live in the UK, by the way, so all my American subscribers, it's so funny because Most of my subscribers are American and like my cosplayer friends, so it's so funny because they post the most ridiculous times of night for me. I don't know, is it cold in the US right now? It's really cold here. So I am literally freezing to death, so I'm just going to keep this video on most of the time. I'm going to put the wig on. Again, terrible lighting, I know. But once I put the wig on, I'll move back to like my normal lighting, which I literally filmed there. I rest my phone on the anime figure and pray that it doesn't break. I need to clean up my makeup actually because I've made a mess. The wig on and then I'll see how it looks and we can try and style it because it's so messy and I don't understand why people haven't pointed it out. Hey guys, the wig is pretty good. I've decided to do like kind of a middle bang thing. Like you can't really see it on camera, but it is sort of wavy at the bottom, which is what I was going for. Also, this here is so frizzy, like it's actually so knotted. I've been going at it for a couple months. And this side is nice and smooth, but this side I will actually like. If this does not get sorted out in the next couple of times I do miku, I might just like retire her or something because I cannot deal with how knotty that one piece of hair is. But otherwise I'm really happy with it. Apparently there's this trick where you like clip these ponytail accessories to the bottom of your wig and put like the wig cap and stuff over it, and it creates like the effect of having like really long hair with like no extensions and stuff. So I might. Right now, I'm just super bothered by this singular piece of hair. I probably am just making it worse, to be fair. But I clipped like the pigtails further back than usual, which helped a lot with making it look more normal. Because when I clip things it just doesn't. It's just not. Also, if I keep looking over there, it's because I've got a huge mirror over there, and the lighting here is really weird, so you can't like see it properly, and it looks like really shiny. But I promise it looks better in real life. Anyway, we're going to film some videos now. Hi Chili, my rabbit's finally came upstairs. And yeah, I'm going to film some videos. And that will basically be all for this video. I am so sorry that I haven't uploaded long videos so long. I've just been like really busy and stuff. But I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. We hit 350 subscribers and then someone unsubscribed, so we just unhit 350 subscribers. That's 300 by the way. I never made a video about it, but thank you so much for 300. 350, one more subscriber, unless more people unsubscribe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you want me to do, like a get ready with me or like a tutorial or any tips you have to improve my cosplays or content, please comment them down below. It's very much appreciated. My light just suddenly got brighter. Well, wouldn't that have been useful like 10 minutes ago? Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching and bye bye!